Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at Tiktrove Tooth Armor and answering the big question many people are asking. Is it legit or is it a scam? With so many dental products trending online right now, it's important to slow down and really understand what's being sold before spending your money. So first, what is this product? Tiktrove Tooth Armor is a fluoride-free oral care product designed to support enamel strength, reduce tooth sensitivity, freshen breath, and improve overall dental hygiene. It claims to use ingredients like nano-hydroxyapatite and theobromine, which are often discussed in modern dental care for enamel support. Before we continue, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. Now let's talk about the concerns. One major issue is the unrealistic claims made on the website. Tiktrove Tooth Armor repeatedly suggests that it can repair, rebuild, or restore tooth enamel. While ingredients like nano-hydroxyapatite may help strengthen existing enamel or support surface remineralization, science is very clear that lost enamel cannot grow back. Claims about rebuilding enamel from the inside out go beyond what dental science currently supports. Another related concern is the suggestion that this product can heal cavities at home or help users avoid fillings. This can be misleading. Only very early-stage enamel demineralization may improve with proper care, but once a cavity progresses into dentin, professional dental treatment is required. Promoting at-home healing may cause people to delay necessary dental visits, which can worsen oral health problems. There are also serious complaints found in Trustpilot reviews about the website itself. Many customers report false advertising and bait-and-switch practices, saying that products they received looked nothing like what was advertised. Some mention poor quality items and major issues with refunds and customer service, which raises trust concerns about the platform overall. Another red flag is transparency. The website only provides an email address, with no phone number or physical business address listed. This lack of contact information can make resolving issues more difficult for customers. Finally, pricing raises questions. Similar products appear on Alibaba for around $1, while the website sells them for $24.99. This large price gap suggests a dropshipping model where items are sourced cheaply and resold at a much higher price. In conclusion, while Tiktrove Tooth Armor may not be a guaranteed scam, it does raise serious concerns. It's best to be cautious, do your own research, and consult a dental professional before trusting bold claims like these. Stay aware, and don't forget to protect both your smile and your wallet.